Hi guys, fifth part of Core Java tutorial. In the fifth part of this tutorial, I am going to explain how to manage multiple classes in the same program itself. In the previous part of this tutorial, you see how to create an object of a class and how to call a method inside the class by using that object. In this part of this tutorial, I am going to create multiple classes in the same program and I demonstrate how to connect these classes by using the objects. So here I am going to create another class called a class. Second class, here is the opening break, close the class. In the class itself, in the class also I am going to create a method called public void display second. This method also prints a symbol message on the output screen. So here is the statement for printing the message, system.out.println. Display from second class method. Okay, now you can see in our program there are two classes called present public class my class, and that class containing a method and it also containing the main method. Now there is another class called second class and that will contain a method called display second, and it also print a message on the output screen. Now I just save this program and again I am compile this program. Javac, file name is my class .java. Okay, you can see the program is compiled successfully, and now I am going to run this program. Java my class. Now you can see there is no error in the program, but the output is obtained only from the first class, hello from main method and hello from display method. You can see these two statements are printed on the main class itself. Here is the hello from main method and here hello from display method. You can see here also a second class is present, but you cannot see the method display from second class method is not displayed on the output. This is because there is no connection between these two classes. So in order to connect these two classes, we have to connect them by using the object of corresponding classes. So here there are two classes are present, class my class and class second class. So in order to invoke a method inside the second class, you have to create an object of second classes in the first class, and by using that object you have to call the display method. So in the main method of the first class I am going to create an object of second class. So second class, here the object name is second, is equal to new second class. Okay, now I just create an object of the second class. The object name is second. Now I am going to call the method inside the second class by using that object. So object name is second dot display second. Again I am going to save this program. Now I am going to compile this program again. Okay, the program is successfully compiled. Now I am going to run it. Now you can see that the display on the second class is also displayed here, display from second class method. This is how you can connect two classes by using the object of that class. Here here is the object second class. Second is the object of the second class, and by using that object here, I just invoke a method inside the second class. So here I now I am going to create one more method in the second class, public void display second one. Also, I just print a message inside that class, inside that method second display one. So here is the statement system.out.println display from the second method of the second class. So in order to call this function also, you have to call it by using the object of that class. So now you can see that by executing this statement, that means second class second, here is the object of the second class, and by using that object I just invoke the display second, the function display second. By executing this statement, the compiler, the JVM, will access to the method called display second. That means in this method, by using that object, the JVM, the object that I am already firstly created, the JVM will have access to the display second method. So it is possible to create an object of any classes inside any function which has access to the JVM. So in the second class itself, I am going to create another object of second class. So now I am just using a reference of the second class, new second class. Sorry, I'm not using a reference variable. I just create an object by using the new keyword. Here is the class name is second class. I just using the new keyword to create an object. So new second class. Here is the function bracket. Now I call the second method that I am already created in the second class. So new second class display second one. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to save this program. Again, I'm going to compile it again. There is no errors are present. Now I'm going to run this. Now you can see the display from the second is also displayed here. Display from second method of second class. So it is clear that it is possible to create an object anywhere in a program that has access to the JVM. Now just go to a closer look of this program. You can see I just explain one more time. Here is the first class that containing a main method, a display method, and it containing it just print out a message, and it also containing the main method. In that main method, I just create the object of that class itself, and by using that object, I call the display method here. Here one more, I just create one more class called second class. That class containing a method called display second. It will that also print a message. Also containing a method called display second. So just in order to connect these two classes, I just create an object of the second class. The object name is second. Now by using that object, I just call the display method. The display method is called by using the second object. By executing this statement, you can see the compiler will have access to this method display second. So there is another method present. There is also another method present in the second class called display second one. So in order to calling that method, I just create an object of that second class in the method itself called the display second method itself by using just without an object reference new by using the new keyword only, new second class dot display second one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.